This is chapter 8. Igbo English code mixing. When I get to card you. Owesi. Get if I go now, I can go back in page. Code mixing is the act or practice of using or speaking two codes or languages at the same time. Igbos do this a lot with English. And in so doing, they make wrong use of some of the English they mix with Igbo. Some of them are treated below. Code mixing is the act or practice of using or practicing two codes or language at the same time. Igbos do this a lot with English. And in so doing, they make mistakes or make wrong use of some of the English they mix with Igbo. Calculating some. Get it once again. With surprise. Igbo got singing. With surprise and surprising. Igbo got singing. Adam surprised. No, Adam surprised. Adam surprised. Bad code mixing. Adam surprised. On the wrong. They hang up the correct one. Adam surprised.